They got the door closed. These scared suckers must be cold up in here. Let me see what they got on the lot. Look at them power cars over there, guys. Some muscles. High performance, baby. I'm gonna go around this way. Man, y'all see that Charger? Let's go this way. Alright, guys. Look at that muscle car there. Oh, they finally finished with that one. What's going on over here? Ooh, that's some muscle there, guys. I'm gonna go in here. Hey, look at that monster right there. I'm about to go in here. I ain't gonna be here long, guys. Let's go, guys. Ain't it doing? Hey, this a real wide body or y'all made it wide body? Oh. Yeah, it is. Dude, man, look like it just came fresh out of the dealership. What they do? What they do? Leave the shop, come straight here to do something? This look like it's fresh off the showroom floor. Well, I mean, they didn't give us the chance to do it. We probably could have did it, whatever it is they want. Did whatever y'all was doing. Last time I was over here, y'all had something on the dyno. Damn, look at this mug. Yeah, it was. So y'all got the reading y'all was looking for? Y'all got the readings, the numbers y'all was looking for? That's the only time you let it go, right? Once you achieve whatever it is you were trying to get. So what do he leave when he leave here? To the racetrack? Or? To see if it feel any better. It's like checking your work. Well, how do y'all check on it? When y'all test drive, when y'all punch it and see if it'll get it? Wow. But the dyno is different from real world, though. That's what I'm saying. You're like, all right, let's go see if I can really push. Test drive, in other words. It's a track around here? Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see where I'm at? Y'all see that sign behind me? Where that sign at? Where is that sign? Right there. Allpar Garage. I don't want to put my man license plate on there, but y'all see that? Allpar Garage, baby. Just hanging out, man. Just left the school training center, so I figured I'd stop by, see how the fellas doing. You know, never mind all that junk over there. They're gonna clean that up. But look at all the muscles in here, guys. Nothing but high power muscle. Okay. Just gonna bring my PT Cruise in here, but they said they don't have no. They was out of spark plugs for it, so I ain't gonna worry about it. But for the most part, just gonna hang around for a good 5 minutes. See if I can sneak y'all some footage, okay? Don't tell nobody I got the camera running. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all a real wide body, guys. It's not no. They didn't add this on. This was already like straight from the. See that? Beautiful, nice, nice. All right, guys, I'm gonna go over here to the dyno department. All right. Yeah, this is where they test that muscle power. See how much muscle they really got you. Okay. Load it up right there. Tie up the machine. See what kind of improvement you got. That's what it's all about. So, no, man. It's kind of chilly in here. Y'all notice they got the doors closed. I'm not really cold, but I'm gonna head on up out of here, man. Just stop by to check on the fellas. See if they needed any help. They always calling me, asking me for help and stuff. So over here they got the ghetto music playing, so you know I can't deal with all that. But I like that. They look at me like I was crazy. Don't mind me, y'all. Mind your business. Mind your business. I mean, I need to do another live stream right here, man. Y'all make sure y'all had the table clean Thursday. so y'all really see what's. I couldn't begin to tell you what's going on over here, guys. But all right, guys, we're gonna go take a couple more pictures, then I'm gonna get out of here. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Oh, some of the engines, I don't know if they replaced these or repaired most of them, but they like to hang on to stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can bring my truck over here and get some of this scrap. You know, let's go over and look at this oldie, because they got plans for this, guys. He gonna really restore this. So I don't know what's in it or anything like that, but I see that. I don't know what they're gonna do with it, but gonna get that running right there. Right there. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'm out of here. This day little office. Look at all these intakes. Stuff for sale. Nice little setup. Allpar Garage. That's what's up, man. Hey, you got a few plaques in here. Alright guys, I had enough fun for the day. Try to get out of here before it get dark. They got some muscle project. Look at that. Yes. 300 game. Alright. Man, look at them monsters over there, guys. I don't know what's going on with this one, but look like they don't got much left. Alright guys, let me hop in. I got another monster. Alright guys, I'm out of here.